Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are trying to choose between CoinUp and Coinbase, here's a quick comparison. Coinbase is one of the world's largest and most established crypto exchanges, known for its beginner-friendly interface, strong regulatory focus, and easy way to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. CoinUp, on the other hand, is a newer exchange that offers features like spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, staking, and other rewards for crypto users. If you're new to crypto and want a simple, well-known platform, Coinbase may be the better choice. If you're looking for additional trading features and are comfortable exploring newer exchanges, CoinUp might be worth considering. That's it. The best platform depends on your trading goals, preferred features, and the services available in your country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto comparisons. Thanks for watching.